Good morning, traders. Richard Miller doing a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market update on Bitcoin. We can see here from the chart we've had a steady uptrend, and these are regular pullbacks to the standard line of the cloud as well as the top end of the cloud. These are fantastic swing trade entry points. Whenever Bitcoin becomes extended from the crowd, we take profit, swing back in at these pullbacks. You can see these support levels there. It's beautiful cloud chart pullbacks there. You literally had a day to swing trade these back. Every time Bitcoin gets extended, we take profit and we swing back when it gets to the standard line of the cloud as well as the bottom end of the cloud. Now, interestingly enough, yeah, we had a nice swing trade there, entry point, and what gave us confidence of buying again back into Bitcoin at that level was this support line here at 52,387. So the front end of the cloud support as well as the standard line was kind of a significant support zone. And then we're off to the rally, broke past the old highs, which is good. And we can see a little bit of we need to see a bit of a follow through on this move. The volume is a little bit on the light side, yeah. So a little bit concerned about that. But so far, so good. The old 60,000 now is a new resistance zone. 61 is a new support zone. That was the old resistance zone. And there's a cluster of support between 60 and then the top end of the cloud you're at 57,100. So that's there's about a $3,000 support range within the Ichimoku cloud chart. Now, if we turn to the 4-hour chart, we can see we're a little bit extended from the top end of the cloud now, and you can see there's plenty of buying opportunities whenever it gets to a cloud chart rebound, cloud chart cross here, for example. That's a nice swing trade situation there. Also, the successful retest of the bottom end of the cloud was the most recent trade there on the 4-hour was this buy zone, and then it rallied. Now it's a little bit extended from the top end of the cloud. We look at the distance between the price and the top end of the cloud. It's this level, yeah. So it is quite possible Bitcoin to snap back to the 60,000 level and retest the 6,000 and 58,000 zone. This is a major support zone. We could say a line in the sand on the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin. But we do need to see a follow through of this breakout above the 60,000. And we need to see it with a lot more volume than we currently have. But so far, so good. The Coinbase IPO is giving a lot of momentum behind this trade. And but be aware that we can snap back to 62,000 pretty easily and then retest the 60,000 for support now that it's a new support zone for Bitcoin. But so far, so good. The daily and hourly still firing all 4 cylinders. Be aware that we can see short-term snapbacks in this overall uptrend. The biggest risk here is, however, is on the weekly chart. And we can see we're very extended. Volume is very light, so there is a significant risk of a pullback on the weekly chart. And we can see that the top end of the cloud just tracking up, so we'll see where this ends when this pullback starts. It should start forming a new support zone, probably be around 48 and 52, that kind of range for Bitcoin. But very extended on the weekly, not a particular nice chart from a technical analysis perspective. But back to the daily, looking out for a retest of the top end of the cloud chart support zone. But the Coinbase IPO has made Bitcoin pop a little bit, and we'll see how it's going to pan out in the next couple of days if it's going to support this level here. But concerned about the low volume rally. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading.